Welcome students. In my earlier tutorial, I have explained some basic concepts based upon OpenOffice Calc, the spreadsheet software which is totally free. And I have also explained you earlier that MS Excel and OpenOffice Calc, they both are spreadsheet softwares and the method to do calculations are nearly same. Only little bit difference is based upon the interface. So moving ahead with my second tutorial. So in this tutorial I'll be covering some formatting features, basic formatting features. Now firstly, selecting the cell. As earlier also I have explained that whenever I am clicking on any cell, you could see here on the top B is been marked with blue color and here on the left the row number 4. So you can easily make it out that this cell, the cell address will be B4, and if I am clicking it here, on the top I'll see it's A and on left side it's 6, so that means this is A6. Now at the bottom you can see 3 sheets by default: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So these are 3 different pages. According to our need, we can do different kind of work on different sheets. Suppose here I am writing, suppose sheet 2, this is sheet 3. In sheet 3 I have added the marks of some of the students, and maybe in sheet 2 I may write some calculations based upon salary. It depends upon my need. Means different work can be done on different sheets. And besides that, if I want to add one new sheet, always at the bottom I can right click, and from here I can click upon insert sheet. Like if I am clicking upon insert sheet, this kind dialog box comes: insert sheet, position before current sheet, after current sheet, depends upon your situation. And then you can click on, suppose I am clicking on after current sheet, click on OK, and you will see here sheet 4 is been added: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4. So I hope this concept is clear to you. So I'll be moving back towards sheet 3, where I have already typed some data for you just to save the time. Now if I have added some data, so basic formatting, suppose I have selected it, selection is same, I have selected the marks, and on the top you could see here bold, italics, underline. So if I'll select the bold, it can be bold, italics and underline. So it's simple as we were doing in OpenOffice Writer. The same way here is the alignment, different alignments. Okay, so different alignments, all 4 kind of alignments are there. This is align left, center, align right and justify. The 4th is merge cells, that also I'll tell you. Now here I am having some numeric data. So in numeric data, if I want to increase the decimal point, so here on the top you could see number format, add decimal place. So if I click upon this, you could see here I am adding the decimal points, and if I want to decrease the decimal points, from here I can easily do it. The same way I'll move towards the right side, properties. This is under properties. Here I can change the text from here, like suppose Arial black I am selecting, so it's Arial black. Okay, here also the option is there on the top. Suppose some other text if I am selecting, it can be selected. You could see here I can easily change the font. So I hope that is clear to you. From both the sides I can do it. And here also bold, italic, underline is there. There also the option is there. This is strike through, so although I don't need it. Shadow, if I'll click it, the shadow kind of effect you will see, but I don't need it, so I'll just off it. And while selecting the data, suppose I'm selecting the cell A1, and here you could see 2 options are there: increase font, decrease font. So if I'll click it, you could see here on the top the font is increasing and the size of that particular text is being increased. You can manually also you can increase from here. So I hope that is clear to you. So it's increasing from here also. Alignment same, alignment is also present here, and even the different alignment, that means vertically align top, center. Suppose I am clicking on align center vertically, you could see here this is coming in the center. So this center is different, that center is different. Align center means now this is center vertically and horizontally. So I hope this concept is also clear to you. And wrap text, what it means. Suppose I am writing here marks of the students. So it's coming like this. But suppose if I am writing here something else, marks of the students of class, okay, class, you can edit it from here also on the top formula bar. Suppose it's coming like this. But now if you will see towards the cell A1, the data is not coming full. So always you have the option here wrap text. The option of wrap text, this is the wrap text. If I'll click upon it and now if I'll see it here, so the whole text will be wrapped. I have to just increase the size. You could see here it's coming in whole cell. I hope the concept is clear. What is the concept of wrap text? But now I don't need it, I'll off it. And marks box of the students, I'll just write okay, and I'll decrease the size also. This I'll delete, I don't need it. If I want to delete it, simply delete and delete all. Okay. Now I want that whatever the text I have written, marks, suppose only marks I need, I'll delete that also. And I want that this text should be in the center under these three columns. As you know that these are the columns. This is column A, this is column B. If I am selecting on the top where alphabets are written, whole column is been selected, and this is C. The same way if I am clicking on row number here, this is number 1 row, number 2 row, 3 row, 4 row. The advantage of selecting the whole row is that if I am clicking it and I want that whole row should be bold, it can be bold, italic, whatever the formatting feature I want to use. Or if I want to delete the data of whole row, it's very easy. So I hope this concept is also clear to you. Now after this, if I want to change the color, so it's very easy. Suppose I am selecting the whole data and I want to change the color of the font. I can click here on the top. You could see here two options: borders, background color and font color. Suppose font color I am selecting it suppose red. You could see here the whole text is been changed into red color. The same way in properties option also, from here you can change the color. Suppose now I am making it blue, somewhat like this, so it's blue. So I hope this concept of changing the color is also very much clear to you. Now this marks on the top, I want that it should be in the center. If I am making it to center, it is coming here only. So you could see here one option, merge cells. Merge means joining of cells. Joining of cells to make it as a one cell. So I'll click upon this option and you will find that now this is in the center. This is called merging of cells. It means joining of one or more cells to make it as one cell. Now A1, that means A1, then B1 or C1, they are merged together and they are now one cell. So I hope this concept is also very much clear to you. Now one more concept I want to make you clear, that if you'll see in the properties here, text orientation. So these are the degree. If I can just change the degree. If I'll click on this 45 degree, you could see here it's something like this. I'll make it down. If I want that my text should look something like this, I can make this, I can change the orientation, change the degree, and then Just to align it, I can increase or decrease the indent, suppose like this. Manually I can set. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Now if I want to change the background color, that is also very easy. I'll select everything, the whole data, and on the top you could see here background color, suppose light yellow. Okay, the same thing I can do from here also. Cell background color, from here also I can do it. Okay, so I hope this is also very much clear to you. Now one more concept I want to teach in my tutorial. Here borders are there. You could see here the borders. You can always click on the borders. Suppose I am selecting this, and you will see here that it has been selected by the black border. Okay, earlier the borders were not there. I'll just do the undo. Okay, and I'll just make this orientation to 0. Now if I'll select the border, it's coming like this. So it's coming like this. Now to change the color of the border, that's also very easy. You select it, and suppose I'm coming here in the properties. You could see here the option is coming, cell background, cell border. So already it's been selected. From here you could see different options like select the line style of the borders. I'll just click it. Suppose I want this double line, and you could see it's like double line option, and from here you can change the border. Suppose I want to make it little dark green something. So you could see here I have selected the color of the border also. So I hope the concept is very much clear to you, the basic formatting concepts in OpenOffice Calc, because these things are very important. Moreover, I have told you that this software is also nearly same to MS Excel, but main advantage is that it's totally free. So you can do all the work what you were doing in MS Excel, that work can be done here also. And this, as I have told, it's totally free, so no license is needed for this software. So with this basic concepts, I am closing my tutorial here only. Now in my next tutorial, I'll be back with some basic calculations. So till then, bye bye.